Presenting the Toyota 2004 Tacoma Crew Cab Pickup. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: limited package, power package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM stereo with cassette, digital clock, driver power lumbar and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.